Hey guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing the Graco Ultra QuickShot. This is, let's see the part number, set it over here somewhere. Damn, I know I saw it. Okay, here it is. This is part number 826308. Stick around for the whole video. At the end, I'm going to tell you where I bought this unit, how much I paid, and then I'm going to also give you a couple of tricks why, in my opinion, the best place to get this machine at the moment is actually on Amazon. I will be posting an Amazon affiliate link down below so that you can get it for the same price that I got it for. And I will explain the logic behind me purchasing it on Amazon versus somewhere like Sherwin-Williams. So we get this nice laminated guide that gives you all the instructions, and it is, from what I can see, it is in English and en español. Yep. So I believe this is the hip strap to hook the machine into. Okay, this is nice. So I believe this is a grounding kit, maybe. Yeah, it's a grounding kit. And we get some of the pump armor, which you should be using on your airless sprayer. Over here we have the normal DeWalt 20 and 20 volt lithium charger. I know what this is. So over here we have a 20 volt, 2 amp hour DeWalt battery. And it does need to be charged right from the beginning. All right, so it does come with a soft case for you to put your sprayer. So manual, DeWalt manual. We have a second battery. It's also a 20 volt, 2 amp hour battery. So in total, you are getting 2 DeWalt 2 amp hour batteries. So you can charge one while you're using the other one. And here is the actual sprayer. Okay, sorry, I was interrupted. Let's going back to the gun. Here it is. And from what we see, it comes with, let's see what tip this is. Okay, my finger got stuck. Whoa. My finger was legit stuck in there. This is an FFLP 514, which I don't know how to take out. There you go. And then let's see what other tip it comes with. According to what I saw, it's in here. There we go. Okay, so we have a screen mesh, like a pre-filter. And then then it also comes this one, so different sizes for depending on the type of paint that you're going to be using. And we have a second needle in here, which is an FFLP 210. FFLP stands for fine finish, low pressure, which is the technology that this gun uses. And in here we have two, I'm not sure what you call this. I know they go in here, which is like a little gasket to plug this hole, which let's see, goes in here, I believe. There you go. Well, I put it backwards, but there you go. There you go. There you go. All right, so it's like this when you're moving it around so the paint doesn't spill, and then you open when you're going to start spraying. There we have it. So let's talk a little bit about how much I paid for this gun. I paid approximately $13.50 for the gun, or sorry, for the sprayer. And then, as I mentioned previously, I'm going to be linking my Amazon affiliate link down below, so you can, if you want to get it on Amazon also, you can find it there. From what I've seen also, Amazon sells the tips a little bit cheaper than some of the stores in my area. I love my stores, great people. However, honestly, I'd rather get these for the cheapest amount possible. And I know they sell on Amazon for approximately $35. And I believe after 150 gallons or so, these need to be replaced. Correct me if I'm wrong, leave me a comment down below. The other reason why I decided to purchase this on Amazon as opposed to at a local Sherwin-Williams or another Graco certified store is because when you purchase it on Amazon, you can actually get extended warranty on this unit. I believe 3 or 4 years or up to 4 years. And these guns, these sprayers have a very finite amount of life in them. From the bit of search that I did, I believe they are rated for 1,000 gallons. And then after 1,000 gallons, the pump will likely burn out on you. And from what I saw, the pumps cost, the replacement pump costs around $300. However, I'd rather pay $150 for a warranty, which will last me, it just gives me a peace of mind, I guess. Ultimately, that's what it is, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it. Stick around, I do plan on making some additional videos, and the next video I'm actually going to be making is I'm going to be showing you how you can keep this unit looking pristine. You know, I don't know, some people are picky, some people don't care, but I really don't like seeing these guns full of old crud and paint and things like that. And I have an idea of how to keep them looking fairly new and doesn't require as much elbow grease as some of the other videos. So stick around for that video. Once I post it, I'll come back to this video and I will post in the link down below. Have a great day and thank you for watching.